If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this very plain toddler's denim jacket into this lovely, cute rhinestone and patch embellished jacket for my daughter's birthday outfit, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so really quickly, I'm going to be adding some rhinestones, some gems, and mainly patches to this jacket. It's very last minute, so I'm just going to go ahead and dive right into it. So these are some cute little, they're called like cabochons, and they're like clay little pieces. You can buy them on Amazon. I have some patches, I have some resin planner charms, and I'm just going to start off by just kind of laying things out, seeing where I want to put them. And some of these patches, like that blingy Chanel one on the right side and on the right sleeve, I do have those available for sale on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I also have these little fluffy LV patches as well. I don't have that large Dior patch. That was actually a sample that was sent to me from one of my vendors. And I'm going to start off by just adding on these little hard clay pieces. They're actually like little cute little teddy bears and little Hello Kitty pieces, and I'm going to use some Bob Smith glue and glue those onto these metal buttons, and they hold so well with this glue. You'll see me using two glues actually, so I will be using the Bob Smith, but I like to use a thicker glue, which will be the E6000 as well. So just basically just go ahead and check out how I'm just laying these patches on here. Not really a certain color scheme, just pretty much bright and fun. My daughter's turning 3 and I just want her to have something very cute that stands out for her birthday. So because I used the Bob Smith glue on this particular patch and it is a thinner glue, I just wanted to make sure it really held down. So I put this little jar on top just to kind of make sure it really presses the glue down to the jacket. Now for this bigger patch, I did go ahead and use the E6000 glue. So sometimes you will have to use multiple glues to get the job done. Again, I didn't really know how I wanted this jacket to go. I just know that I ordered these colorful little, they look like little candy / toy pieces. Oh, and I have these resin planner charms. And I do have resin planner charms and kits available on my website as well. And I do always have free shipping. Now, another thing I like to say is I just wanted it to be busy and cute and really stand out. This jacket was like a really big hit. I just happened to put it on my TikTok, on my personal TikTok, and in one day it got 10,000 views. I've never had anything get 10,000 views in one day, so I thought that was pretty cool. So this jacket is just really fun. It really stood out. I took my daughter to this cute little fun kitty place for her birthday, and she took it off after a while because it was kind of warm in there, but when she had it on, people were looking like, oh my gosh, her jacket is so cute. Where did you get that? And it's really just having different patches and different things. I keep a lot of different random bling, charms, patches, and I just kind of put stuff together and just laid it on there and let it sit for a few hours. And it just happens to come out like super cute, you guys. I'm really excited about this DIY because it was really last minute, but it turned out really amazing. I found some really cute fuchsia circular rhinestones that I put on this jacket as well, and the little water drop gems I'm adding. Then I even went in and added some SS20 glass rhinestones as well, just to give it some extra sparkle and just to have some smaller stones on there also. I'm using a wax picker tool. I have those available on my website as well if you're interested. Okay, so it is the next day, and I let this dry for a few hours. I was up until the middle of the night working on this, well actually early in the morning. So today is my daughter's birthday, and this is how her jacket turned out. It is very pretty, it's busy, it's a lot going on. You can definitely do less than this. You can even just do the collar on your jacket if you want to. So just to show you how you can use these patches, I use multiple glues, and if you have something sticking up on the edges, you can just kind of go under and apply more if you need to. But these metal buttons, I like how this glue really adheres to this really good. So I'm really pleased with this. Now there isn't anything on the back of the jacket. I may iron something on it under my heat press, or I may not. I'm not exactly sure. I'll figure that out. But now I'm going to press her shirt. I'm not going to record myself pressing the stuff on her shirt, but I'll show you at the end. And then here's her shoes. I'll have a separate video of how I did her shoes. It's really simple though, but I'll have a video. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this jacket. I absolutely adore this jacket. It's really cute. Everything was nice and firm on this jacket. The two glues I use are very strong industrial strength glues, and they are really like a nice hold. So if this gets washed, it probably would be a machine wash on gentle. Then you would just let it air dry, because you don't really want it to heat up too much and the glue come off the backing. But everything is pretty rock solid on here, so this will be cute. And oh, I told you I was going to show you my daughter's outfit. I did already post a picture of me doing her shoes, and I did a short of me making her shirt. So this is her outfit. And you know what, maybe I'll insert a picture of her also. Okay, so really quickly, just a cute little picture of my daughter in her jacket with her shirt and her skirt. You can't see her shoes. So that is how her outfit turned out. Super cute, so adorable. She just turned 3. She's my youngest daughter. I adore her. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did like this video, I appreciate if you share it on Facebook or give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.